AspenTech as an organization, we are leaning in very big with our dual challenge. That's a core value and the message that we are delivering to our customers. And if you have to deliver on the two challenges for the customers that we're facing and how do we solve that, we can't do it all alone. We understand that. Microsoft made a huge pivot on sustainability a few months ago with sustainability platform that they launched. It matched very well with the application DNA that AspenTech has around sustainability and the solutions that we're launching and the IP that we have created. Microsoft provides the platform, we provide the applications and the IP to the customer. And so that was the combination that clicked very well for us. After that, it was all about the execution rigor on what do we do and how do we do it. Our relationship with Emerson comes in obviously at the right time. They play a very strong role in the customers from what they bring from a hardware instrumentation automation perspective. We are the software and the application layer. And then, of course, Microsoft provides the cloud. And so if you look at what clients would get from three of us coming together is the entire stack, right from the sensors all the way to the cloud and the analytics and the AI work that goes along with it.
Emerson has a great portfolio of solutions, but when you bring in the AspenTech portfolio around the design, maintain, as well as optimizing the operational plan, that really brings value to our customers, especially when it comes to energy transition and sustainability. There's a great need for that in the marketplace today.
Traditionally, all three of us have gone to our customers, address their challenges individually. It's the client who had to put the whole thing together. That's the narrative that we would like to change going forward. It doesn't matter who leads the dialogue. What matters is that the answer that the problem that we're trying to solve is delivered by Emerson, Microsoft, and AspenTech together.